Hey, it's your boy JB and I'm back once again with another recipe. This week is in memory of my grandmother who recently passed away. This is Granny's Apple Tart. "300 grams of plain flour, 150 grams of butter, 50 grams of sugar. Rub the ingredients together to form small breadcrumbs. Add 1 egg. Mix together into a firm dough. Cover in cling film and leave in the fridge for 30 minutes. Chop up 6 apples. Roll out half of the dough and place it into a oven-proof dish. Add in the apples. Roll out the pastry lid, place over the top and crimp. Brush the top with some milk and then cover in a little bit of sugar. Cook in 180 degrees Celsius oven for 45 minutes. As always, follow the hashtag @FatLadFood, and if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video.